Hello, today we'll try to learn about ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT? Basically, it is a tool which is being gonna implemented to make use of generative AI. So, basically, I will try to tell you how it works. So, first, you have to go to chat.openai.com to learn about ChatGPT. And here, if you can find, I'm gonna use a version of 3.5 because this is an open source and currently there is no charge for this if you are directly going to work upon this. And if you are trying to integrate this with your application like Java, Python, or anything with that, then there will be some APIs and as well as there will be a charge. Up to $5, it is free. After beyond that, I think you have to get enrolled for paid version. So currently we'll try to understand what is actually ChatGPT and how we can command ChatGPT to do our work. Okay. So basically we use this ChatGPT to reduce our work. For an example, you are running a company and you want some tagline for your product. So at the time you will ask ChatGPT to do it. Okay. Beyond that, uh, behalf of you, you ask ChatGPT to do it. For example, write 10 taglines, okay, for my product like mobile. Okay, so I want 10 taglines for my mobile because you can give taglines. It can print more than thousands or thousands. So to limit that, we will try to make it in a 10 in a chunk size. So that is the reason I have given 10. Okay, so this is our question, and if you can see, this is the answer given by ChatGPT. So earlier, human used to think about the tagline, which should be again unique, and that we have to choose. So now here, the human effort is being reduced. The ChatGPT itself generate it in a dynamic way, and it gives it to you, like empowers your connectivity, unleash the future with so and so your product name. For example, you can give an XYZ mobile phone. Okay, seamless innovation, infinite possibilities. Elevate your mobile experience with your product. Okay, so you can see there are 10 different taglines, okay, which ChatGPT itself has given me. For example, today is my mood is very good and I want a poem on that. Okay, so I will ask poem, today my mood is fantastic and I want poem of 300 words. Sorry, the spelling has gone mistake, but still ChatGPT has understood it. So in the realm of sunshine, golden case, my spirit soars unbridled bliss. So we can see this poem is totally generated in a dynamic way. So, so whatever I think and I want to write, it has already given. Bird compose a melody, cheerful tune underneath the tranquil, benevolent moon. So things you can think around it. So the how human can think the same way ChatGPT can think and write. Okay, so this is the one about these are some inputs about ChatGPT. Now whatever we have written in a very generic words, okay, and in a very generic command. Now we want something that is called prompt engineering. Okay, for an example, if I want ChatGPT to write or do something, then obviously I have to ask them to do it, or I have to ask ChatGPT to do it in a way that it should follow some criteria. Okay, for an example, I can give okay, uh, write a mail to client. Okay, mail to my client, uh, something around I can say Amy or someone. Okay, client Amy to showcase our product. Okay, products. Okay, in below criteria. Okay, what is our criteria about product, about our product, and about our service. Okay, and our contact details. Contact. So basically, what is our products? Our products is around, for example, case showcase of our products like We are into mobile, okay, mobiles, okay, and our contact details, is xyz mobiles at some gmail.com, you can think, okay, and I give it this way. So now if you can see, it is writing the mail to our client, okay. You can see how it has, composed the mail in a very fast manner. If you can see, subject: explore the excellence of XYZ Mobiles, unveiling our latest product and services. Dear Amy, I trust this message finds you well. We are excited to bring you the latest development from XYZ Mobile, and we sincerely hope you find our offering aligned perfectly with your needs. We can see this about our product, about our services, and our contact details. Can you see this? How we have given in our prompts, and it has, printed in the same way. We have given in a very simple manner in 2 lines and about our service, about our product and details, contact details. It has, automatically generated the content. We can see, right? This is what the chat gpt is famous for. It has drastically reduced human effort. Now if I want to write anything to my client, so it is very easy to write. Now I can take this template and now my creativity starts from here, like what else it is missing and what I can make a changes to look this very beautiful, okay. So that's what ChatGPT has reduced the effort of human thinking, okay. Now I will try to so basically to give any type of prompt to the ChatGPT, it is necessary that you make it very simple, okay. You have to directly command ChatGPT, write something, summarize something, or compose something instead of I want, I like, not. So that if you avoid that, so basically you have to give command to ChatGPT, like I want, for example, uh, create, okay, create and resume, okay, and resume for me as software DV developer with 8 years of in Java, for example, okay, Java with below criteria, okay. So now I can say that education is like I have completed MTech, for an example, and my work experience, and I can give my contact details. Okay, now I will try to give. I have just given my 8 years of experience as a software developer, is that too in Java. Okay, now I have to also give like my contact details. Okay, for an example, xyz at gmail.com. Okay, with mobile number something around 9999999. Okay, this is my mobile number, and I can also give like my education details, master of technology. Okay, and now and I can give my work experience, for an example, X company for 5 years, and Y company for 1 year, I can say 3 years. Okay, and I can give enter. If you can see, it has started generating my whole resume. Can you see how it has started generating? Now, can you see if I want to apply to any job, you can write in a very simple words and can get generated your resume. If you can see your address, now you can fulfill your address over here. State, city, state, zip code, and your mobile and email ID. Objective, dedicated and accomplished software developer with 8 years of experience in Java development, seeking challenging role to leverage my skills in creating robust and scalable software. Can you see that how simply it has done? And because ChatGPT is still an open source, and to restrict my data, my personal data into it, I have given X and Y. Okay, you can also give in the same way, and you can copy this template, and then you can fill up your data in it. So that is the thing where we can say, restrict our data, and that is about data privacy, I can say, because even though we are using ChatGPT, still ChatGPT claims to be still ChatGPT with it is very good to not disclose our data, or just print out our personal data into this. This is just a sample data I'm telling, because still, if you want to not disclose anything, that is a better practice, good practice, that you just give X and Y, and then you can change it in our template. That is the very best thing. Okay, so if you can see, X company software developer for 5 years I have worked, and for Y company I have worked. So if you can see spreadsheet development, spread edit, that everything it has already given. This is a template, now you got it. If you want still this is X company I have done so and so, so and so, so and so, you can directly write as a paragraph, and it will do it for you. Educational detail, work efficient, content detail. If you can see education, work experience, and contact details. Okay, skills and contact details you can see. So if you want more criteria, you can type the criteria over here. Okay, below this. So I have shown you about email writing and resume creation. Okay, and poems as well. So the thing is that this is all about prompt engineering. So this is the best practice you have to do all the time. This is a prompt engineering. Okay, you have to create a template with a paragraph, and you have to give a criteria, so that ChatGPT can do it in an efficient manner. So this is about ChatGPT, and you can get any type of content over here. Like you can search for any business or anything, and it will give you a number of things with it. Okay, for an example, if I want uh, summarize in the world with below criteria. Okay, I want something to know about a great leader, a political leader about in the world. Who is it? And then I want about his education details. Okay, sorry, education details, and I want his personal life details, and I want about his professional career. Okay, so this is all about I want to know about a great political leader in the world as per the below criteria, and I don't want any extra information about it. So if you can see, it has already started printing about it. Okay, so basically he without specifying particular, I will provide a general summary. If you can see, ChatGPT has very diplomatically answered this thing to get rid of any kind of controversies. It is better like in this way, without specifying any political leader, I'll provide a general summary. A great political leader. So educational details, political leader pursued explanatory education. So that is the thing, in a very generic way. It has printed. If you want to type anything related to any, um, for an example, if I want to try on any summarize about a great political leader, I can say summarize about Joe Biden. Okay, Joe Biden. So it will obviously print about Joe Biden. Okay, Joe Biden, a brief summary. Joe Biden graduated from University of Delaware with a double major in history. If you can see, it has already printed everything about Joe Biden. Okay, and now if I want to something print about political leader like uh, Narendra Modi, then what it will print about him. So we can you see the whole detail it has started printing about uh, Narendra Modi. Okay, so this is about ChatGPT. So I want everything in a in a discipline criteria way. So this you have to understand, and in this way you have to communicate with ChatGPT. So to be with me in this tutorial, thanks. And if you like this content, please like my video and subscribe for more details. I will try to also post this ChatGPT integrating with Java backend application soon. So be in touch. Thank you.